Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox on this. So this is the Porsche 911 Turbo Cabriolet, and this casting is new for 2025, as you can see. So I bought this for MRP, which is 179. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I'm really curious to see how this casting looks in my hand, because when someone actually posted this sometime back, I don't remember when, maybe a month back or so. So the color really actually caught my eye. So I was a bit curious to see how this one actually looks. And since this is a new casting for 2025, so I like Porsche, but I'm not really big fan of Porsche. I mean, but this one really caught my eye. Okay, let's look at the card art. Here it is. Let me just put this aside. Let's go to the casting now. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So it is a very deep magenta, I guess you can say, or maroon. I don't know, maybe it differs from country, I guess. So I would go with maroon color for this. So it looks really beautiful. I do love this color on cars. I'm not sure why nowadays uh, car manufacturers are giving this particular color to cars, at least not like the older days, because olden days you can see this color very often, but nowadays, I mean, it is always like black, blue, gray, like matte black, glossy black, or very rarely you can see that like glittery green or glittery blue. So these kind of colors, but this one looks really beautiful, and the interior looks really nice. So, but the interior plastic, it feels a bit cheap, but maybe because of the color it looks like that. It looks like cotton candy. So okay, so it has headlight details. I mean, the logo placement is okay. It's a little bit messed up, but it's okay. So it has all this like turn indicator, and then you can see the 964 turbo lettering here. And on the rear you can still see, okay, it does have the tail light DLC painted. That is really good. And you can see here also, you can see, on the number plate you can see the letterings 964 turbo. So you can see the Hot Wheels badge here. I think they did it really well. Okay, this is a full metal body casting, including the spoiler here, and the chassis is plastic. So the chassis has a little bit of detailing here, including the exhaust details, which is really nice. And see, for this particular casting, this set of wheels goes really well. So maybe they could have just given a different color here, maybe even this candy pink trim here, or the maroon trim. I don't know, but even though they didn't go with any trim here, it does look really nice. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Maybe 30 grams, 32 grams. Okay, 29 grams, close enough. Let's do a roll test. Okay, I don't see any wheel wobble, but it is not really even reaching the end. Okay, I'm not seeing any wheel wobble at all, but it doesn't reach the end. It doesn't actually roll really well. I mean, it produces a lot of noise, and it feels a lot more grippier. It doesn't feel smooth, to be honest. So let's rate this casting. See, I don't see any issue with the casting. So you have the rear view mirrors as well here. I missed to point that out. So when it comes to the casting wise, I don't have any issue at all. But rolling wise, I do have that one issue. Maybe this might be common for everyone, because I don't have any wheel wobble as well. So if there is a wheel wobble, I can say maybe mine has, you know, the string which they put here for axle, that has a, that is a bit bent and all, I can say, but I don't see any issue. So this might be common. So if you guys have this casting, let me know whether yours rolls really well on the track, like maybe in your setup. But given that's the case, so I'm reducing point 0.5 for this casting, 9.5 out of 10, because apart from that, the casting is absolutely gorgeous. See, personally, I'm not going to play with it, But I taken this into consideration because see, everyone loves to play play with Hot Wheels, right? So that's the only reason I did that, and I'm doing the role test every time, and I taken this into consideration this time. And this being a very new casting, I really wanted to take that particular thing into consideration. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.